The gold diggers arrive at the goldfields, feeling hopeful and all eager to strike it rich. As the diggers arrive, they start to set up camp. Families work hard together, all happy to have arrived at the goldfields, all supporting each other. Setting up camp before lunch was essential. Tying up the tents was not an easy task. The tents started going up. Of course, all the tents had to weather the storm.